Okay, so tonight I'm gonna do a slab of ribs in the Instapot. So we're gonna need 4 cups of apple juice, and you can tell by just the mark on the back of your Instapot back here. You're gonna stop at the 4-cup mark. Then you're gonna need some apple cider, and you're just gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that we have all of that in there, we're gonna turn the Instapot on saute, and that's gonna start heating up the apple juice and the cider that you have inside. Then we're gonna stick the ribs down in there, and you're gonna put the fatter side down in the bottom like so. And you're just going to shut it up. Make sure the seal is locked in the back. And once it heats up, we will set it to 32 minutes. Okay, now that you have reached the pressure, you need to hit meat stew and adjust time to 32 minutes. And you need to have pressure high, and go. Okay, the 32 minutes are up, so you want to take them out and make sure that you have at least a good pair of tongs and something else to hold on to them, because they will probably be falling apart. And then what you're gonna do is put some sauce on there while your oven is preheating to 400. Okay, once the oven is preheated, you're gonna put the ribs in the oven. You're gonna leave them in there for 5. Okay, they're looking good and ready. And they're falling off the bone. Delicious. And you could use whatever barbecue sauce is your favorite. I myself like Sweet Baby Ray's. You can make your own, buy whatever you like. Let me know if you make it and if you like it.